Surprise, surprise watu wangu, karibuni La Cuisine Appliances. It's your man Conrad hapa hivi. Leo tuko na surprise moja genje. Tuko na one item man and you party anywhere, one unique item for your household wherever you are. Kama unafanya biashara ya kufua nguo, that is laundry business, mazee got you today. Leo tuko na one giant. Tuko na LG washing machine 20 kgs stroke 12. 20 kg washing, 12 kgs dry. Imagine what a magnificent big washing machine you have today. And funny enough, offer tunapatia only with 215,000 you get yourself the 20 kgs stroke 12 washing machine ya LG. Thank you. Manze, imagine uko na washing machine unaweza control mpaka na simu. Washing machine unaweza set mpaka wifi, yeah? Like look at the magnificent size of this machine. Hii ni pali yako ya wash, bleach and everything. Look at the size. You can't even compare to the normal 12 kgs and everything. Man, when I talk of giant, this is what I mean. You have a wide space ya kuosha mpaka duvet 6x6 unaweza weka hata 3 ndani. And you imagine it's a wash and dry. Once you're done, kujifunika na kuanika nguo. Why are you going to miss this chance? Reach out to our comment section or call us on 0725 630 293 0725 630 293 or visit our store La Cuisine Appliances, Eco Junction Trade Center, second floor room S218. Welcome all.